Good day, MMM community. I'm Juvie, an ordinary MMM participant from Sorsogon, Philippines. Once again, I would like to share the rewards I get from being a member of MMM Global Philippines. So last November 13, 2015, I provided help amounting to 50,000 pesos under Magro Mining Pro plus 20%, 160 hours procent. And on November 23, 2015, I was able to get an assistance amounting to 52,200 pesos from Video Bonuses and Magro Mining Pro. And today, November 24, 2015, I received the whole amount. So thank you to all the participants for giving me the assistance. And of course to our founder, Sir Sergio Mabrodi, for introducing this mutual help system in the Philippines. So let us continue helping one another, and together we can change the world.